It's just that when whatever happened, it's like my senses have been dialed to 11. There's way too much input, so they just kind of help me focus.
You're in dire need of an upgrade. Systemic, top to bottom. 100-point restoration, that's why I'm here. Why are you doing this? I gotta know, what's your MO? What gets you out of that twin bed in the morning?
Because...
Okay, so it's live, apparently. It's 2:22 p.m. in Florida, but I'm being exceptionally gassed, so we might not be able to do anything. But I can do stuff, I can feel it. Are you ready? Alright, let's try the opposite now. So we're in Lantana Beach, basically, in Florida. Lantana Beach. There's a yellow flag in front of me, and there's a lifeguard in a red thingy. Basically, just chilling. Basically. Okay, so we're gonna make it just a little bit more stronger, the waves. Everyone will be safe, okay? You ready? Okay, here we go. I don't know if that has an effect. That blocks me from finding out. I think it was about to have an effect. Patience is a virtue. Yeah, I learnt that from Kung Fu Panda. Patience is a virtue. Okay. Okay. It must have been having an effect. I can't rely. I need to find a way through this. I think the best method is chopping lemons and having lemons in my diffuser on while I'm working. I think that's the best method of this. I think I've set up the home a little bit better with this. Line the floor here a little bit better with some bin bags right at the back. I hate using bin bags on this floor, but really embedded. And I'm having a diffuser on. A humidifier with lemon. I'll write some notes, I'll do it tomorrow. But let's try this again while we can. Okay, so we're going to make it a little bit more rougher. More stronger waves, just for a second. Okay, that's the best I can do. Fucking awesome, aren't I? You see that? I'm hard. You see that? Well, I'll calm it now. Okay. I think I have a lifeguard as a witness. No, I got a fucking lifeguard. You can't gas me anymore. You know? Literally. You can't do anything. What are you gonna do now? So there's that. You're gonna give me pain. Wait, I'm feeling a bit self-conscious. Just gonna there. Okay. There. Just a little bit. I can do something as well, which is gonna be a little bit of fun. I mean, I'm not that side right now. Just calming. Yeah. Oh, I can move it that way. I didn't know I could do that. Hey, do you want to see this? I can move the whole C left. I've just realized. Watch this. We're going to go left. Okay, ready? I can see a ripple going left, but I don't know if everyone else can. Don't know if that's actually happening with CG. You know. But I don't think people could fake that whole thing happening just then. I don't think so. Okay. Okay. I think you guys said that's like a hook for them. They love that. You love that, because the possibility there is, if I'm able and trained enough, I can even stop a tsunami. You know, fundamentally, if trained enough, you know. So there's that. Yeah, like normally, as you can see, I'd be able to pull back in an area. So I'm not able to do that right now because I'm too gassed, you know. For example, yeah, you see that there? I should have a curve there, just there. From that bit, no, I'm not able to do it. I'm not able to pull back and prevent it in a certain area. I can a little bit. Aye, not as much as normal, because of the gas, you know. Because of the gassing. Let's just some calm for a minute. Just some calm, okay? So there's just some calm. It's kind of like a bonding between that kind of force as a life or spirit, or whatever you want to see it, and myself, of you know, like that. It's okay, you know. I don't, not okay, but like the peaceful thing, like I don't want to patronize and say like stroking your cat. I don't want to. I don't know if we should make it like a lot of waves again, because there's a lot of people there. It's got a lifeguard, but a lot of people there, so we'll leave it.